Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP low content channel. Today we are just going to talking about 4 KDP low content book ideas for you. So in this video I want to show you 4 low content book niche idea which is sell overall 12 months. So first of all, our first niche idea is fashion sketchbook. Fashion sketchbook. Uh, Fashion sketchbook. And now second one is blank comic book. Second one is blank comic book. And third one is letter tracing book. Letter tracing book is only used for kids. So this is very important niche, and you can earn more money from letter tracing book. And last and fourth one is pet health record book. Pet health record book. And there is fourth a type of low content book niche: fashion sketchbook, blank comic book, letter tracing book, and pet health record book, journal tracker or logbook. So first of all, you can search individually to check how this position of this book, or how many income you can earn from this niche. So first of all, you can search Amazon KDP marketplace like fashion sketchbook. We can search on Amazon fashion sketchbook. There is 1000 results for fashion sketchbook, and this is fashion sketch figure template, and here is you can see 198 review. Here is 180. So fashion sketchbook in two types, like men and women, you can create. So we can check out this book. You can also check out trademark and copyright fashion sketchbook. This is a book cover, and you can easily make this. If you do not make this cover by yourself, you can hire a designer from Fiverr, Upwork, or if you need, you can hire me, because I am a KDP expert and also a book cover and interior designer. So you can contact me via social media or my YouTube channel if you need this type of book. and there is a interior pages also, and you can make this very easily. You can so and in such a way you can search uh, every book individually and also check out trademark and copyright. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit notification bell icon when I can share more video, more niche about KDP self-publishing business. And in this channel you can also get t-shirt design video for print on demand business. So thank you so much. Thank you all.